got too excited about that. Did you hear it? You know it doesn't pop. Never does. It's cold in here. All right. Let's see. My video. I uploaded my video last night. If my computer would turn on. So we always close the vents in here because it's really, I don't know, it just saves us, you know, money and all that. So we always close the vents once I'm done at night, and then I open them again in the morning. So it's just starting to kind of warm up in here. It's really cold right now. Right, so my video has uploaded, and now I gotta work on the like end screen and cards, which doesn't take too long, and it's only 7:22. So it's too early for me to actually publish this. Oh shoot. So I think I will wait to publish it around 9 o'clock because it's just a little too early. But I am excited about this. You know what? Let's go ahead and publish it since I'm already here. Just so it's out of the way, and then I can like, oh my goodness, look at the kinks in my hair. I need to brush my hair. But no, I'm washing my hair today. This is actually for the 4th day. So it's feeling pretty gross there, guys. Anyways, let's go ahead and just publish it. Because like, why not? This is usually too early for me to upload a video. But it's okay. What are you doing? Oh, he's playing behind me with all the pillows. Careful, okay? Alright, so I'm gonna watch my video. I know, weird, but I just want to make sure that it uploaded correctly and nothing is wrong with the video. So, be right back. rice, rice, pot stickers. I don't know if you guys remember the last time I made pot stickers on the vlog. I like ruined it, but we figured it out now. I'm pretty sure I know how to make it. This is the third time I'm making it this way, and so far it's like the easiest and I don't ruin it. As in, like, it's not falling apart. So I am just now browning it, and I'm excited to eat because I'm hungry. Actually did take a break from all the chores and filmed a reels, which is now up, so I'll link it below, but it is on the acrylic puzzle. I got it and I just had to. It's so cute. Let me show you. So I have it right here. It's an acrylic puzzle, so it's like see-through and it's so pretty, and I just so happen to have this acrylic frame that I had Liam's picture in this, and I just took that off, and I'll put that in a different frame, but this is just perfect for this. I love it so much. Anyways, just wanted to update you guys and actually say hi. I feel like throughout this vlog I haven't been talking, so it's just a little weird. I wanted to, you know, hi. But okay. I feel like we're gonna go into a different thing now. Uncle fell asleep. Little boy. I put the chair there so in case he rolls off, it's not a straight drop. I don't know. I don't think he'll fall off, but it just scares me. But he was actually sitting here watching a show and fell asleep. Silly babe. It's okay. Did you have a bad dream? Baby. Okay, that's mommy's. Yeah.